Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I'm just going to call today a haul. You saw the thumbnail. I have 4 boxes. I have 2 that are from Influenster, one that I know is from the Causebox marketplace, and one that is just a plain brown box with no distinctive writing on the outside. So we're going to open that too and see what we've got. So let's get into it and check everything out. This was an Influencer box that I was not expecting and so grateful to receive. You know, you get these surveys, you fill them out, you don't know what you're going to get selected for. And this is the Honest Company, their new Clean Vibes Only products. Let's get into this because it is a huge box, but incredibly light. And I think that's because the whole point of this is that it's low plastic and you add your own water, that kind of thing. Oh yeah. So when I open it up, let me show you guys. When I open it up, I've got 3 bottles and then little cleaner plastic thingies over here. And it's really hard to show you guys. And it looks like there's a towel over there and it says conscious cleaning, naturally derived ingredients, less waste, powerful clean, save money, lighter footprint. So I know you guys know that I do like Rove, and I do as many things as I can to reduce my footprint. I get a lot of boxes. I have a lot of things that come in plastic. Some of it is, and I'm gonna make air bunnies, unavoidable. But when I can make a decision that makes it easier to avoid extra plastic, I try to. I do my best, and that's all we can really do. So this says, each one of these things, which by the way, is plastic. I'm kind of surprised it's not glass, but the first one says glass on it. I hope that that shows for you guys. And it's got the Honest Company on it. The second one says bathroom. And it also has the Honest. And it's just, they're just empty bottles, all plastic. And the last one says multi-surface. And that's what that looks like. And again, this was gifted to me from Influencer. They want me to try it all and do a honest review. I think this one, they only want me to do the honest review on the Influencer site. If you've never done Influencer, anybody can do it. You don't have to be a creator on YouTube. You can just go on. It's kind of like social media. You do reviews on products you've tried. You can find other people's reviews on those products. And then you sign up to receive these boxes and they send you surveys and you fill them out. Like you tell them what kind of foundation, if you like powder or liquid, just there's a million questions. They'll send you a survey and depending on each of those surveys, how you respond, you can get good free stuff. And like I said, with this one, I just have to leave a review on Influencer. Some you have to do other websites. Like I had a Tom Ford sample, and I think with that one, I actually had to leave a comment on the Neiman Marcus site. But it's fun to do, it's easy, and they just want your honest review. So if you try something and you're like, it didn't work for me, they want you to say that. They want you to say why. Like if I have something that doesn't work, I usually say, it's because I have really sensitive skin, which is honestly why it usually doesn't work. Okay, now that we've talked about the bottles, I see a piece of paper and it says Honest, new conscious cleaning essentials from Influencer. From day one, we've been committed to making clean, safe products that are good for people and the planet. Our conscious cleaning kits provide a sustainable solution that fit into your values and actually work. It goes on, and then it's from Jessica Alba because she's the one that created Honest. So then what I have are these 3 little, interestingly enough, again, plastic tubes. And I'd like to think that going forward, if you went to like Target to replace any of this, you would probably get a lot in a plastic tube. But this is just, oh, it's 2. It's 2 concentrated pods. Are they all 2? Yes, 2 concentrated pods in these little plastic things. So in theory, you will pop one out, put it in here, add water, it will dissolve. And then, more particularly, after your first one, because in theory, with your first one, they're still plastic. But moving forward, you're at that point just adding a pod. You're not adding more plastic. I have the refills for the glass, the multi-surface, and the bathroom, which was what the bottles were named. And this is Pomelo Spritz. Each one of them has 2 concentrated pods. And then down here, they've just given us a cute little Honest Company microfiber cloth to clean with, I would imagine. I will mix all of these up, give them a try, and then go on the website and give them my honest review. That's all you have to do. So again, that was what that looks like. And once I've tried it all, if you guys have any interest in me letting you know how it worked, just let me know below. Next, I have this Causebox add-ons box. I actually had 2 full marketplace orders, and within those 2 orders, they split them up. So I, in theory, have 3 things coming. This box that I can't identify might be one of them. This could be another. And then in theory, there's yet another one to come. All right, when I open it up, it is part of my first marketplace order that the second item is shipping on its own. So I have 3 little unusual items. I ordered these kitchen shears. You're saying, Kathrin, those look a little familiar. Yes, they do. I actually ordered them in last season's marketplace order also because I needed some kitchen shears and I forgot. And that order took so long to get here that I made this order before I received that order. So I ordered them again. They were like $4.50, and I am always happy to have more kitchen shears, and I like that these have a cover. So more kitchen shears. Next we have, and I would have bet the farm this was not the color I picked, but I could be completely wrong. I'll try and let you know here if it says the color on my order form. But this is the Butter London Patent Shine 10 times nail lacquer, and it's in Wicked. Don't get me wrong, I will wear this color. I like dark colors. I like it when they lean red and burgundy-ish, and this one is so burgundy that I don't know how it's coming across, but it almost looks black. It's so burgundy. So I will for sure use this. Luckily, we're still here in winter when I use this kind of color, but I didn't think it was the color I ordered. And last in this little box, I have the Laundress Home Spray. I've never had it. You guys know how much I love the Laundress. I order all of their detergents I can get my hands on. I get the regular detergent, the delicate, they have a denim wash, I have a wool and cashmere. There's more. There's more. A sport, there's a sport one. I really like the scent of that one. And number 10, which is my all-time favorite so far. They're also doing some Le Labo ones, which if you know Le Labo fragrance, I love their scents, but wow, it is expensive. So I'm hoping that someday it shows up in one of these sales. There's probably like 0% chance of that happening. But anyway, this is the home spray. I mean, it's great that I smell like it, but now my whole house can smell like it. So this is number 247. I have, oh, it wasn't the lid, it was the plastic overcoat. I'm so strong. I have no idea what this smells like. Let's find out together. Oh, it's on my face. Oh, that's not gonna end well. Luckily, I had my glasses on, so it stopped it from getting to my eyes. Oh, it's bad. It smells really nice. Little burn. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. You might have noticed. I have a new lipstick. I went ahead and wiped my lips off because I did have it all over my lips. I read the back and it says A, non-toxic, which is really good to hear, but then it says caution, avoid contact with eyes. So I am so glad I have my glasses on because I really did get a good coating on my glasses. And it says, if ingested, seek medical advice. So I don't think I really ingested it. I think it just mostly got on my lips. But it says it is just deionized water, alcohol, essential oils, and fragrance. So back to the scent. It says that it is number 247, blending fresh, clean notes of bergamot, thyme, eucalyptus, lavender, and ylang ylang. We love our homes to smell clean and fresh, from walking in a door to snuggling into bed. Ah, this non-toxic formula with antibacterial properties adds scent while removing odor. Spray to freshen kitchens, bedrooms, living areas, and bathrooms. Ideal for upholstery, drapery, carpets, bedding, and any shared items with furry pets. Well, there you go. So I would highly recommend this for freshening your home. I would not recommend it as a face mist. Okay, let's dig into the mystery box, which I can't show you the other side because it just says from, and then it gives their address and my address. So let's just see what it is. Let's hope it's not something else I can spray in my face. Can you guys imagine? I should get on tomorrow morning on Insta. I'm taping this on Friday. If it hit my face anywhere with those essential oils in it, I'm going to bloom. What is, I still don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. Talk about taking 6 years to get here. Wow. This is a PMD. Those of you who do Causebox may know this, but I'm telling you, a solid 6 months ago, they were doing a, if somebody signs up using your code, you can win a PMD and they get one too. If you were the person that got the PMD, let me know. It's a personal microdermabrasion clinical grade exfoliation with vacuum suction. And this is in classic 1 speed setting. I don't know anything about this. I didn't order it. It just came for free because somebody signed up. So thank you so much. I feel so grateful. I am definitely gonna try this. You know, I have really sensitive skin, but I bet I can use it like on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, which is where I need it the most anyway. It says it has 2 very sensitive gray discs and 2 sensitive blue discs, and then moderate. But that seems so, something about that. I mean, look, it's like it's gonna suck all the stuff off your face. Let me know if you've used this. Let me know if you got the other one. Let me know some stuff. That's fun and exciting because I didn't even know it was coming. That is so cool. Okay, and last but not least, and I do know what this is because usually when Influenster is going to send you a box, which they call a Voxbox, I'm not sure why. If you know why, let me know below. Usually they let you know that you're gonna get it, and they let me know that I was gonna get this one. So this is a really heavy box, and let me get into it and show you guys what it is. And again, this was gifted to me for my honest review. I'm not sure where I have to review it. I'll have to get into my Influencer account to see where that is. I checked my account yesterday, and I think with this one, they gave me like a month to try it. So they not only want you to be honest about your review, but they really want you to try it and get to know it before you review it, which I fully respect. When I open it up, this is what it looks like, and it is shampoo and conditioner and mousse from Biolage. And it is the Volume Bloom Pump Up the Volume. And it is inspired by the expansive properties of the cotton flower. Fine hair is plumped with long-lasting, bouncy volume. Fingers crossed. I can imagine why I got selected for this. I'm sure they were busy saying, what kind of hair do you have? And I'm sure I answered these questions correctly because this is the kind of hair that I have. All right, let's look at it. And this is amazing because these are full-size products. So the first thing we have is the Biolage Volume Bloom. It's in cotton. I think that's to do with the scent. Shampoo for fine hair, and it is paraben-free. That is what the bottle looks like. How cool looking is that? It's kind of tall and narrows to the top, and it gets square. That is so cool looking. Let's smell it. Just for the record, doesn't have a safety seal on it, but the entire thing was wrapped in like shrink wrap plastic that I had to take off. Oh. Because my face hasn't been insulted enough in this video. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells really good. Nice and clean. Oh, yay. I am excited to try this. It says gently cleanses as it adds lightweight shine and volume. All right. And then the conditioner is just Volume Bloom Cotton Conditioner for fine hair. Also paraben free. And it looks pretty much the same, except so when you're in the shower and you're soapy and you're blind, you can tell the shampoo is the blue poo. That's how I'll remember. And the clear is clear conditioner, blue poo. You get there how you get there. Let's see if it smells just as good. Oh, it does. I am so excited to try this, guys. It is so worth signing up to Influencer to do this. I encourage you guys to do it. And if you do it, be sure and friend me so that I can friend you back. I don't know if that matters. I don't have a lot of people that I follow or that follow me on Influencer, and I still seem to get good stuff. So, but let me know if you do it. And then last, I have Biolage Styling Whipped Volume. I cannot even tell you the last time I used like an old-fashioned mousse. It's been a long time. This is bodifying mousse that provides body control and shine. That's good to know. And also this brags about there are no parabens and no mineral oils. Whipped Volume Agave. Kind of want to put it on my hand to see what it smells like. What do you guys think? Yeah, I thought so too. I mean, you're right. You're right. We should see what it smells like. I can't, like I said, I cannot even tell you when the last time was that I just used an old-fashioned mousse. It's been a long time. It smells good. Like you guys don't know what mousse looks like. It smells just like the shampoo and the conditioner. Yeah, can't wait to see how that works out. I probably won't even have to tell you guys when I start using it. I'll just be up here one day making a video and I'll be like, Kathrin, I know. All right, so that's my little haul, things I thought I would share with you guys that I had coming. So we got that nice, honest set to try and reduce our footprint and the plastic that we use, although there was a lot of plastic in it. But I will let you know if you have any interest how the products go. And that was from Influenster. Also from Influenster, I have this Matrix Biolage Volume Bloom that's gonna give my thin, fine hair a volume, which I could not be more excited about. And then I got from Causebox a PMD from, I'd say, at least 6 months back, a room spray, face spray, the nice Butter London nail polish, and another set of kitchen scissors. Thank you so much for coming by to check out what was in the boxes today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.